The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Guys, good morning. Today is Monday, October 10th. It is a busy news week. There's the 8 o'clock bell. We have PPI on Wednesday, CPI on Thursday, retail sales this week, and earnings start this week with banks. Busy week. Hope you guys all had a great weekend. Good morning, guys. Arjan, good morning, fellas. Good morning. Currently, Nasdaq's down 34. ES is off 7.5. YM is down 27. EMD and Russell basically flat. Gold is down $25. Wow, $25. Silver's off a bit. Crude's off 71 cents. Natty gas is up a bit. In any event, hope you guys had a great weekend. Hope your team won on Saturday. Hope your team won on Sunday. My Mets are out of the playoffs. Go Braves. That's where I got to be now. Go Braves. I expect today will be rather lackluster as just as a news announcement. Order flow class will be tomorrow. The link was sent on Friday. If you guys are in the current order flow group, you should have the link. If you do not, if you've checked junk and spam and it's not there, please email me. I will send you the link for order flow class. Again, it is tomorrow at 11:45. There will be no afternoon session today. There will be no afternoon session today. Once we lose Europe, this is going to get positively terrible. In any event, if you guys are here on trial or continuing your trials from last week, welcome back. We do have a few of you that are continuing trials. Your trials will end, obviously, in the next couple of days. So if you're with us in the room already, good morning and welcome. We do not have a full house today, at least as of yet. If somebody wants to maybe put in member Skype that the room is open, please do so. Don't know what we're going to get. No idea. Let's see here. Yeah. All right, fellas. Let me quickly read the disclaimer and we'll get on with it. See if we can't make a couple of bucks today in what will probably be an otherwise slow day. Holidays usually are, especially with the bond market and banks closed. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts, and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. So the ES has not taken a trade. Crude has taken one losing long, just missed first target, and a winner short to first target. It's down $800 and is now in a long. Nasdaq is up 635 on the bot. Natural gas down 920, losing trade here. Now that didn't get it. That's before 6. Losing trade here, and is for whatever reason did not take that last trade. And I've gone back. I've gotten rid of the ZN bot. I've gone back to the Russell. I may change that to ZB. We have settings for ZB, but ZN was just useless. Anybody have any questions? Bear with me 1 second. Bear with me 1 second, guys. I'm just setting up a chart. Okay. Let's take a look at gold is trying. Boy, this is just slow and slower, fellas. Slow and slower. Nasdaq got both targets. On the bot, finally. This is that area that if it breaks, crude can go a ways. A little bit more resistance at 60, 61. Should get that second target. Gas is breaking down. You have a short 87.03 target 1. It's not much of a short. You're short gas. There's first target. So if you caught it, you caught it. Now breakdown below 96 takes it 68.74. Copper starting to roll over. Guys, we have big dollar strength today, so I don't know why copper was up, but you can short copper at 45.60 or 70. 2 ticks lower, you can, well, now 80, 75. You can short copper at 45.60. Target 1, maybe 45.15. Yeah, I'm waiting for CL to pop here. I'm watching it. 92.70 is the target I have now on crude. 92.70. Should get that second target anyways. But 92.70. Come on, big fella. Six ticks from home. 5. 4. Come on, 4 more ticks. Oh, we missed by a tick. Yep, 1 tick. 1 tick. Anybody take that long? Anybody think retail sales will be strong? Missed that second target by a single tick. All right, crude opens up here, fellas, in about 6.5 minutes. Crude gets above 92.89, we go 93.30. Come on, 71, 92.70, 71. Blocked by there, 10 contracts, nothing of any size. Look at this Nasdaq and ES. Got to get above 55 and then 58 on crude. 55 and 58. That's that. Buyers in the Nasdaq. Buyers in the ES as well. All right, we have a natural gas bot short. Guys, it's 8:59. I'll take my breakfast break in a minute here. I shut off the ES and Nasdaq bots. That's shut off. They're all shut off until I come back at 9:30. All right, both targets filled on crude. 58. Fed's Evans is speaking. All right, guys, I'll be back. Nasdaq first target would be yesterday's high, or yesterday's close, I'm sorry. ES is short 63.5. There goes ES. Come on, buddy. Let's go. ES, I have a 58 quarter target. Come on, ES, let's go. 58 quarter. We have sellers on the open. We have a strong net buyers, but sellers on the open. Nasdaq. Chop and chop. No big pullback. Watch this ES. It could pop here. Come on down. 58. We're just sitting in the middle of this opening candle. We do have sellers. 1,500 net sellers in the last couple of bars. You guys can go flat. It doesn't want to die. Evans talking about JOLTS data. Vacancies are high. All right, we have a short on the Russell and the Nasdaq. I can't move the net. There's Nasdaq. Target one hit. Russell hit. Man, crude Gonzola. I don't know that we get a candle close through VWAP, but yes. Yeah, we've pulled this up, but we've pulled lower here. We're setting up to roll over, fellas. There's a 105 contract buyer. That could be in an hour. It could be in 5 minutes. We could trade right back to 65 area and fade. Candle close above VWAP. ES, you can take long at 62 with a 67 target one, 62 with a 67. Nasdaq, not so gassed about. Jesus, crude. Anybody long grains? Anybody long any of the grains? If you guys take a trade, let me know, and I know to watch them. If not, Evans thinks the risk of a downturn in Europe is quite strong. Who's going out on a limb? So yeah, the train has left the station on crude. So ES, guys, here's what we've got. Hourly's holding some support, 10 minutes basically flat here in this 50 to 51. But if I had to take a trade, it's short. I don't, unless ES moves up above 61 or so, you got to be short. Your first target now is 38 to 40. Here it comes. Never mind. There, if you didn't catch it, you can short it. It's got a 40-41 target, but we're chunking around on fairly lighter volume. It's not heavy volume. Bounce off of VWAP. The only long I have is above 61 or so. Small negative delta now. That would be your long 61.50, but we could get stuffed at 65. There's an 800 contract buyer at 54 with a 105 block. Nasdaq's infinitesimal positive delta. ES small negative delta. Crude is off to the races. We'll look for a pullback there. Natural gas also big move up. Looking at SPY, it's just in the middle of this range between 62 minor support and 63.15 resistance. No bot trades to show. There haven't been any other than what I've shown you guys. If you guys want to trade SPX, let me just see what 3600s are. 3600 SPX puts are 450, 460. Nasdaq, this candle closes. You can try the long above VWAP. Take a look at that. I don't like it. They are buying them though here, guys. 300 contracts. ES can't get anything going yet. There's your long on Nasdaq. We could go back 11,100. ES, you can try the long here. maybe 63 to 65 is a target. It's not much. And hope for a breakout. It isn't much. Range is too little for me on the ES. Holiday, guys, don't forget. We're missing volume, so all the grains took off. Corn, wheat, and beans all took off. If SPY pushes up somewhere near 64.5, I'll look for the puts on SPY. Grain still pushing higher. Anybody buy SPX 3660 puts? They were 450, 440. Anybody buy those or no? Okay. There's another short on the Nasdaq bot. There's an unfinished auction at 44.5 on the ES. Out. Got a short in the ES spot. There's target. And Nasdaq got both targets. ES got both targets. Crude is now short on the bot. SPX puts are now 510. Those of you guys that took it. ES breaking down nicely now below VWAP. Full candle close. If you're not short, you can short that. SPY is coming down. Bought a short crude, yes. 92.58. Here's your ES right there. Right there. That was your ES 42.5. We've got to come down below 40 and we start working into 3-0. $38.75, 39 is a small area of support. Anybody catch the ES short? 42.50? Guys, we're short. We're short. Yeah, Mark. We're just doopty-doing around here, guys. 10:30, I'll check volume. Again, if you guys are in the afternoon group with me, afternoons 1 to 4, there is no room. I'm not opening today at 1. I wasn't even going to open this morning. trying to find any trade right now is no easy task. I am short the ES, guys. You see how slow we are already? Come on, yes, break down, baby. Break down. Break down. Let's go get 30. I'm short with you guys at 42.5, guys. Break 40, and we're going to try to trade this sucker to 30. It's got to break 40. Come on. Break that son of a gun. Come on. Guys, trade them as you see fit. I can tell you what has to happen. 40's got to go. And then we trade down to 30, 36.30. But you need to, use your own discretion because volume is low, volatility consequently is low. And the goal on holidays like today is merely to make some money. That's it. We're not trying to, set the world on fire here. This is your resistance right about here, 42. I don't think we're going anywhere, guys. Negative delta is stacking up. I don't think we're going up. Call credit spreads work on a day like today. Let's see here, call spread. Let me take a look at a call spread for the 10th. $36.75. No. There's no longs, guys. There are no longs. Nasdaq, small negative delta, guys. If Nasdaq breaks below 987, she's dead. Paul, if you were in first thing this morning, I've given my crude trade. I don't have an order flow crude trade. It looks like it wants to come down. Stop would have to be 93.30, which is 60 ticks. So if that works for your trading parameters, I see that. I don't see. Good Lord, corn. Off to the moon. Soybeans, a little soft, but corn and wheat, very strong. As far as crude goes I basically have longs, but again, it depends on how much heat you want to take. I wouldn't take longs here. Anybody still holding ES? Anyone short ES? Okay, guys. It's just a slow, non-volatile drip lower. We should work down to 30. If that breaks, we come into the low of the day. If that swing low breaks, great. We could trade down massively on a break of that swing low from overnight. Other than that, it's just largely a chop-filled, low volatility day. We'll be done at 11 o'clock this morning. We're always done at 11 in the morning, but we're done for the day at 11. This is just a short from 42.50 and hold. Or, we got almost 10 handles at the low here. That's why I'm telling you guys, trade them as you see fit. On days like today, it's hard to get targets. ES should have come to 32 before a bounce. And we bounced at 33.75. Crude bot's the only trade on. Has not come to first target yet. Almost. There it is. First target hit and filled on the crude bot. If we break below VWAP, crude keeps coming to that next target at 24. Should get it. Come on. Close. Nasdaq, I have no trade. ES, we need to go hourly down, which is below 31. Below 31, we're going hourly downs, and today's target could be as low as 35.97. Nasdaq shorted again on the bot. Target 1 filled, Nasdaq bot. Come on, get that second target. There it is, target 2 filled. ES coming, guys. All right, we have a short on the Russell bot. I can't move it. Chart's frozen. But we have a short on RTY. Crude, I'll move off the screen. We've gotten first target, 16 ticks. Came within what looks like 2 ticks to target 2. Stop is break even +1, so I will move that. And here's Russell. We're shorts, guys. I don't see any longs at this point. We're just waiting to go hourly down in the ES. And we are hourly down on the Nasdaq and small time frame. So we may get obvious retracements in here, but we are hourly down, small time frame down, and sitting on support here at 87. We need to break below that 82 swing. ES is going to work down to 623 eventually. If you guys are holding shorts. I'll be right back, guys. But if you guys were desirous of a long, we don't have much of a negative delta. We don't have a negative delta, actually. It's just this is not, I mean, I've made money today. I am good. If I don't get another trade between here and 11, I don't really care. All right, out on that Russell bot trade. Anybody long 18, 19 area on Nasdaq? Anybody long? Long crude. Yeah, crude I like long. Okay, 18 was the entry. Try to get the first target. And then last target maybe up around 42, which is yesterday's low, Friday's low. You're coming up on first target, fellas. Nasdaq, first target hit and filled. First target hit and filled. Next target would be Friday's low at 42-ish, 43. Gonna have to get through 34. So if you guys are here on trial, I always go break even on target 1. Always. All right, ES is now long on the bot. This is the wrong ATM. 42, in my opinion, is the end of the line. Nasdaq, Paul. Nasdaq. If you're not in it, you'd be a day late. We've already got first target. 18 was the entry. 18.19 on Nasdaq. First target's hit. Let's see, Arjan made on 6 accounts, 1,000 profit, 1 account negative $200, but still in the trade. Nice job, guys. If you've made money, I'm telling you, take your money and run. Today is not the day to be aggressively trading. Thursday, 10:30, I'll get the first update on volume, and I would be shocked if we're not more than 20% down. Again, if you guys are here on trial, I wasn't even going to open the room today. I typically do not trade on bank holidays when banks and bonds are closed. It's just really choppy, slow. There's no volume. If you guys are in the afternoon session, there is no afternoon session today. I won't even waste my time. First target only on that Nasdaq trade, guys. That's it. You should be out 18, whatever your entry was. Break even. Made a couple of bucks, and that was it. ES is struggling at 40, which is also the point of control. 47.5 is the point of control. All right, Joe. Nice job. Daily goal in. Very nice. Very nice. ES just got both targets on the bot. Both targets hit and filled on the ES bot. And there goes NASDAQ. We could trade 36.50. What the hell's going on here? Is there news? There's got to be news. I'm not hearing anything. There has to be news. If there isn't, I don't know what that was about. I'll buy SPX puts at 364 if we get up there. We're at 360. Yeah, I'll get an update, Arjan, in about 2 minutes. Only trade on, guys, at this moment is crude. It has neither gone to a stop or a target. It's just sitting at entry. I expect that this will get target. Let me take a look at it. Yeah, it's just pushing through resistance here at this 96. If it gets above the whole number again, it should rip. ES support now 44. VWAP. Crude's going to go. It's just a function of time. Copper is bid. Corn is turning over. If you guys trade grains, you can short corn. ZC on Ninja. Here's crude again. Got to break the whole number, guys. Gets first target. Come on, break the whole number. 92.99. Let's go. One tick shy. There it is again. Target one filled. Stop is moved to break even in one. Free trade. See if we got a volume update. We're only 4% below our 3-month average daily volume. Short ES again. Short ES. Short ES. $4,000 negative delta, 4,100 negative delta ES, almost 600 Nasdaq. I think this is just again, I think you're going to have to be more patient than I have patience for in this market. We are coming down. ES is going to get to 30. Nasdaq, if we break below that low, we came down to that 983, is going to get busted up. Below 983 gets busted up. Out on crude runners on the bot. Let's see. Yeah, I saw that. Arshan. Target on the ES, if you're short, guys, is 30. That's target 130. When I said short ES, target 1 is 30. Nasdaq's going to break down right here. This is it. There's your 30 target on ES if anybody is short. 30 target hit. Now you trade it into the low of the day and a break of the low of the day. Target on ES is now 25. 25. Nasdaq's breaking down. I told you. I gave you the level if you wanted to take it. Anybody short ES or Nasdaq? It's over now, guys. 24, 25 is the next level on ES. 24, 25. Okay, guys. Okay, Mark. So you should have first target off on the ES at 30. If you're trading multiples, well, regardless, if you're trading multiples, you have a runner. Stop, break even. If you're trading one, you're out of the trade. Okay? Base hits. That's it. Base hits. We're not trying to hit home runs. That is a bad strategy if you're a one contract trader. Okay, there's 25 target. Look at that. To the damn tick, fellas. Disregard this. 25 target hit. Here's where you're going to try. If you're trading multiples, here is where you are trading to on the ES. Pay attention. 35.95. That is your next level lower. 35.95. Okay? So if you've got one on, I would put stop at break even and just let her rip. Forget you own it. Everybody should be making money, guys. Could get a bounce here off the 95, but here is the low 18. Does not look like it wants to bounce. $35.95. Shorts for days, fellas. Shorts for days. No. How'd your ninja trader get corrupted again, Ray? Yeah, I open up no emails on this computer, my trading computer. I don't download anything on this computer. I mean, unless it's trading related. That's odd. Aside from Ray, who hasn't taken any trades, is there anybody that is red, not making money? Is anybody in this room not making money? Okay. So nobody is down. Not one person in the room is down, correct? If anybody is down and it's in sim. Okay, Doug. All right, Chris, good job. I don't care if you're red in sim. Care less. You're welcome, Chris. Guys, I'm telling you, we're coming 35.95 on the NAS ES. There is a big puke coming. All right, nice. Hey, Ed, nice job, man. Nice job. Did you get funded yet? How close are you? Here comes the puke. Come on, puke it up. They're trying to buy him here. There's no reason to get long down here. There's just no reason. Better you wait for a retracement and short it again. We could pop back up to 33. I don't know that we do or don't, but if it bounces, that would be a place to short again. If you're short, hold them. Nasdaq did its job, blew out below that 83 level, came down 33 handles. So everybody in the room at this point, has made money in their live account or their funded account or their combine account. Just making sure. Okay. Listen, guys, we did a whole lot more than I would have thought we would have done. I wasn't, again, you guys know on Friday, I wasn't even going to open the room today. I'm glad we did. We made money. Guys, I've got three. Let me give you bot totals. Here are your bot totals. ES finished down $25. Crude finished up $540. Nasdaq finished up 805. Russell finished down 365. And natural gas, which most of you guys don't trade, finished down 1,300. So 1,600, 13. So the bots were overall down about $300. Nasdaq had its typically green day. Crude had a typically green day. ES finished down $25. Close enough for hand grenades. If you guys are here on trial, virtually everybody in the room is using ES, crude, and Nasdaq bots. Very few are trading Russell. Even fewer are trading natural gas. Most of the guys in the room are not trading natural gas. And I can tell you, if I could find something else, I would exchange Russell because I have an obvious overweight in the indices. But I have not come up with settings for copper, which again most are not traded. What I'm trying to do is find instruments that most of you trade. So of the primary instruments, it was a good day. Does anybody have any questions before we wrap it up? It's 10:58. I'm done for the day. I may or may not be around on Skype. I'm not going to be. I can tell you that. If anybody needs me, please feel free to email me. If you guys are here on trial, I'll be sending you out an email today. Several of you, your trials will end. We'll call it tomorrow. Several of you, your trials would have ended today, but we'll go an extra day simply because today was a holiday. Nonetheless, it was profitable. I will see all of you tomorrow at 8 a.m. If anyone needs me, please email me. Other than that, guys,